guys, yeah, this is Wabili Concept TV. I want to show you this our project site, what we have really achieved on this site. This is a 5-bedroom duplex designed with a DQ, and we have been able to achieve this project of tiling with different type of size. Tile selection was based on super polish, Goodwill and Veroni, and the floor of the kitchen is on glazed tiles. The wall is on 30 by 60. Both kitchen wall and the toilet wall are 30 by 60. So this design is like a career-wide stripe design on the Veroni project chart, Veroni tile chart, and we have this stripe. These are a career-wide stripe for the living room, for the lobby, for the walkway, up to the stairway to the private lounge, and all the balconies are that where I'm standing. So this is a super polished Veroni on the project side. So if you are thinking Nigerian tiles is not a good quality you can use for your home, I can assure you it's a good quality. The only difference between where there will be problem using an imported or Nigerian tiles is if you use a Nigerian tiles in a high traffic area, or even if you use a design tiles on a high traffic area, believe me, the shining will fade off. So this is why if you want to select tiles, you select tiles based on the purpose of the apartment. For domestic uses, Nigerian tiles is excellent, is good, and you can take it for as long as you are still existing in the house. So guys, this is Wabili Concept TV. We have been able to achieve this project using Nigeria made tiles, Veroni, Goodwill, super polished, both for living room, lobby, dining, private lounge, and balcony, and the rooms are all super polished 60 by 60. Then the kitchen floor is a glazed tiles. It's not a super polished tiles, and it's a 60 by 60 also. The kitchen wall is 30 by 60. The toilet floor is a rustic tiles. A rustic tiles is a tile that does not allow slippery to occur. So something like water spillage can cause slippery. So a bathroom or a toilet is a place where water is usually used. So this is why we select a rustic tile. Then the toilet wall is on 30 by 60, and all toilet and all kitchen are the same design. All rooms are the same design, Goodwill super polish. All lobby, dining, private lounge, main living room, and any other places are the Carrera super polish style. So guys, this is Wabili Concept TV. area. In this apartment also, we use everywhere is 60 by 60. The living room, the rooms, the lobby, and the kitchen floor, they are all 60 by 60 floor tiles. Then the bedroom or the toilet are 40 by 40 floor. Then the wall is a 30 by 60 design with a Genesis type grid. So this is the finishing of the whole project. So I want to move around. Let's check this project around. This